section, we're going to start getting into the nitty-gritty of task management. Task management is a central component, perhaps the most central component of time management. Task management is all about how we keep track of the stuff we need to get done, and about when we make the time to actually get it done. It's about ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks, and that there is time to get everything done, without scrambling or pulling all-nighters. Time management in many ways is task management. When talking about task management, I think it's first necessary to step back a moment and talk about the philosophy behind it. I want you to think of task management in terms of a single trusted system. You've heard me talk about systems a lot so far, and maybe you're thinking, system? I don't have a system. Or perhaps you're thinking, I've tried so many systems, but none of them work for me. But here's what I want you to know. You'll build a personalized system that works for you. Probably don't fit into any existing system, I'll be honest with you. That's why you're here. And by the end of this course, you'll be empowered with the knowledge to implement your system in whatever format that is. And you'll be empowered with the knowledge to update your system when your circumstances inevitably change. When you have a baby or get a new job or get 10 new direct reports, your circumstances will change, that's for sure. But once you understand the concepts related to creating a single trusted system, you'll be able to iterate on your system to ensure that it's always working for you, regardless of your circumstances. So what is a single trusted system? It's one, and I repeat, one single place where you store all of your tasks, your ideas, your open questions, etc. Having a single trusted system is the best way I've found to be more productive and to reduce stress at the same time. Here's why. Have you ever had the feeling, I'm sure I'm forgetting something? Or what about, how do I know that I'm working on the right thing right now? Or even, I have so many things coming at me in so many directions, I'm super overwhelmed. I can't prioritize. I'm betting you're nodding your head right now. Most people experience these thoughts and feelings daily. These are nebulous, anxiety-producing feelings. You don't know what you've forgotten, but it's something. You've got so much to do, but what's important? Having all of your tasks in a single place allows you to know that you're not forgetting something. It allows you to prioritize, and it allows you to know what you're not getting to. You want to know that if you're not getting to something, it's because it's been properly prioritized below all other things that you're getting done. Having it all in one place allows you to properly prioritize because you have all the data. If you're using your email as a to-do list and voicemail, and you have a paper list somewhere, and you've got notes on your phone, and unread Slack messages, you're not able to properly prioritize. You're seeing the trees, but not the forest. This means that not only are you perhaps working on the wrong things, but you're wasting time context switching between these systems all the time. So the easiest way to ensure that nothing falls through the cracks, while also reducing stress, is to use a single system for all of your tasks. As I just mentioned, tasks come at you from so many sources. If you let these tasks remain in their original sources, it will be very difficult to track the items and it will be nearly impossible to effectively prioritize. Additionally, it's just as important to have a system for your personal life as for your work life. Once you've gotten all your tasks across your whole life into a system, you'll not have to spend energy either remembering these things or having them racked through your brain on a constant loop. As personal tasks pop into your head throughout your workday, just simply put them into your system. As work tasks pop up when you're trying to get some sleep, pop them into your system. Using a system ensures you never have to rely on your memory, and it frees up your brain for the actual work that needs to be done and for the task at hand. A system allows you to single task, which is far more effective and efficient than attempting to multitask, which is something that our brains can't actually do. But more on that later in the course. When starting on the journey to become more organized and productive, it's important to remember that the time you spend maintaining a system is far less than the time and energy wasted remembering the same things over and over again. The work it takes to keep your system organized is valuable, and it's real work. Planning saves time in the long run. So how do we create a system that allows us to stop relying on our memory so that we can use our brains to tackle real work in a focused and efficient way and stop stressing? In the next lecture, we're going to be talking about the first step, the brain dump. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.